Hi everyone, and welcome to today's Essential Workshop Guide. We're diving into a fundamental skill for precision work, inserting a steel dowel pin into a hole with an interference fit. This technique is vital for creating strong, accurate, and reliable connections between parts. It's a common requirement in many mechanical assemblies, jigs, and fixtures, ensuring components stay perfectly aligned and don't shift under stress. Understanding this process will greatly improve your fabrication and assembly projects, so let's get right into it and make this seemingly tricky task straightforward. First, let's understand what an interference fit actually means. Simply put, it means the dowel pin is slightly larger in diameter than the hole it's going to be inserted into. This creates a very tight, secure connection. The materials compress and expand against each other, locking the pin in place without the need for threads, welds, or adhesives. This reliance on friction and material properties ensures a robust and precise alignment that resists shear forces and prevents rotational or linear movement. Dowel pins themselves are precision-ground cylindrical fasteners. They are used to accurately position mechanical parts. They provide excellent shear strength. They are essential for maintaining alignment over time. Now, let's gather the tools and materials you'll need for this job. Of course, you'll need your steel dowel pin and the workpiece with the interference fit hole. For insertion, a soft-faced hammer, like a brass or plastic hammer, is ideal to prevent damaging the pin. You will also need a punch or drift that is slightly smaller in diameter than your dowel pin. This allows you to drive the pin without mushrooming its end. A light oil, assembly lube, or even a bit of grease will act as a lubricant, reducing friction during insertion and preventing galling. Safety glasses are absolutely non-negotiable. Always protect your eyes. Finally, a sturdy bench vise or clamps are crucial for securing your workpiece firmly. For very tight fits or larger pins, an arbor press can offer more controlled and even pressure, and in some extreme cases, thermal expansion/contraction techniques might be employed, such as chilling the pin or gently heating the workpiece around the hole. The actual insertion process involves a few key steps. First, prepare your materials. Clean both the dowel pin and the hole thoroughly. Remove any dust, debris, or burrs. Any imperfection can cause the pin to bind. Next, secure your workpiece firmly in a vise or with clamps. Make sure it's stable and level. Then, apply a thin, even layer of your chosen lubricant to both the dowel pin and the inside of the hole. This significantly reduces the force needed for insertion and prevents material damage. Now, carefully align the dowel pin with the hole. Ensure it is perfectly straight and square to the surface. Gently tap the pin to start it into the hole, just enough to get it seated a millimeter or two. Once it's started, place your punch squarely on the end of the dowel pin. Using your soft-faced hammer, begin to drive the punch with firm, even blows. Keep the punch centered on the pin. Listen to the sound. It should be consistent, indicating steady progress. Continue driving until the pin is flush with the surface or at your desired depth. Avoid excessive force. If the pin seems to stop moving, recheck your alignment and ensure the punch is still centered. For very stubborn fits, or if you're using an arbor press, apply slow, steady, continuous pressure. This controlled method minimizes the risk of bending the pin or damaging the workpiece. Remember, patience and a steady hand are key to a successful interference fit. If you encounter any issues, don't panic. If the pin won't start, double-check for burrs in the hole or on the pin. Relubricate generously. If the pin starts to bend, you might be hitting it off-center, or the fit is too tight for hammering. Consider switching to an arbor press or using the thermal methods we mentioned. If the workpiece material around the hole shows signs of deformation, the interference might be too great for that material, or you're applying uneven force. Always prioritize the integrity of your parts. And that's how you successfully insert a steel dowel pin with an interference fit. This technique is invaluable for achieving precise alignment and creating robust mechanical connections. Always remember to prioritize safety by wearing your safety glasses throughout the process. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical tips and guides, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next video. We appreciate your support, and we'll see you next time.